Hello friends, welcome to my channel Helping Hands. Today I will tell you about remaining character functions. So let's start. Now I will start the third one. In the previous video I have made the video on first and second topic, which is character.isLetter and character.isLetter or digit. Now I will start the third one. Character dot is white space. You can watch my previous video in order to see what I have told you about the white space. It checks whether the given argument or the given input is white space or not. It returns boolean type value. Now example, suppose I am taking a variable boolean b is equal to character dot is white space. Here w would be in capital, not be in small, and only single quotes. This single quotes means that there is a space between this which has its own ASCII code. Now it will return a true. Now the fourth one, character dot is uppercase. It checks whether the given argument is in uppercase or not. Means the given argument is in uppercase means its letter are in uppercase or in lowercase. Now it returns boolean type values. Example, I am taking a variable boolean b is equal to, you can take any variable, is equal to character dot is uppercase. Here both u and here c of upper and case would be in capital, and u, it is a character, so I have written it in single quotes. Now it will return a false. It is a small u. Now as it is a small u and here it is checking whether a letter is up in uppercase or not, so it would give you false. Now the fifth one, character dot is lowercase. This function returns true if the given argument is lowercase letter otherwise it returns false. It returns boolean type values. Now I am taking an example. Boolean b is equal to character dot is lowercase. Here L and C both will be capital, and in the bracket I will give small a. Now it would return true. But suppose I am taking another example. Boolean b is equal to character dot is lowercase. Here also L and C would be capital, and in bracket I am giving a 1. Then as it is not a character, means as it is not a letter, so it will return false. Although we have to ask here whether it is lower or uppercase, but here as it is a digit it would give us false. Now the sixth one, character dot to lowercase this function converts the uppercase letters to lowercase. Other characters remain same. It returns character type values. As friends, here it converts a lowercase, it converts uppercase to lowercase, therefore here it would return character type value. In the previous it would return boolean type values. Now here the example, I am taking suppose a variable char ch is equal to character dot to lower case, here L and C will be capital and capital A. Here the output will become small a. And suppose here if I will give other character, means if I will give here 1 or white space something like that, so it would return the same thing only. Now the seventh and the last one, character dot to uppercase ch char. This function converts the lowercase letters to uppercase full stop. Other characters remains same. It returns character type value. As here it converts the lowercase to uppercase, therefore it returns a value which is in character. I am taking example char ch is equal to character dot to uppercase, here C and U both will be capital, and in bracket I would give small a, or you can take any other alphabet, small alphabet, then it would return capital A. Suppose here I would give any number or something like white space, then it will give the same value, means the same thing. Friends, in the next video I will tell you about string functions. So if you like my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.